We believe no one offers a better opportunity than Norwex. Founded in Norway in 1994, we've built our business guided by our core values of integrity, trust, respect, and kindness. We create safer, effective, and sustainable products with purpose to fill the growing demand for eco-friendly home, family, and personal care products that reduce harmful chemicals in everyday lives. As you share Norwex to help others keep their homes, families, and the planet healthier, you'll earn 35% of your personal retail sales. For every $100 of product you sell, that's $35 for you. With your dedication, it can really add up. You work your business on your time. You schedule Norwex to fit your life. We'll be here to support you every step of the way with 24/7 access to training, guidance from expert consultants, the latest technology including your own personal website, and professional marketing tools. All ready to help promote your business and help homes around the globe discover why Norwex is cleaner, safer, better. Why not give it a try? It's so easy to start, and it can be so rewarding. We'd love for you to join us today. There's so much in it for you.